Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. And today I've come again here in the video basically to do one English speaking practice. And yesterday, day after yesterday, I have uploaded one listening practice video because that is also important. And today I'm going to do one speaking practice. So today, the cue card is about describe your street that you like to visit. So street kind of there are a lot of streets in our city as well, but the thing I'm going to talk about in this cue card is different. So if you are new here, you can watch my video till the end. You can understand how a beginner can speak like in front of YouTube as well, and a lot of people who are struggling, so you can like encourage them to speak, right? Because that is what most important. So let's start it. So I was very keen of to see like Wall Street because it is very famous in in stock trader field, because there are a lot of people who losing money and winning money, but they are still doing the trade every day. So that is the one which I want to talk about. It is in basically in USA, in New York. And there's one Wall Street, and that basically is the biggest stock market in the world, and you can say around probably $13 trillion market, and there is day-to-day basis transactions are there. So I always want to be do some sort of physical activity, physical trading as well. From my end, I think probably it is my dream, and I don't know basically I can able to do it or not, but it is a dream. And I will definitely going to see the Wall Street market, basic Wall Street, because there's a lot of skyscrapers, and along with that, there is one tower which is Manhattan Tower and World Trade Tower, which was basically formed by ISA. You can say in 2000 basically too. That is basically a thing which I want to basically feel like this is very bad happen. And yeah, there is a lot of memories of a lot of people's basically there died due to some sort of incident, right? And along with that, there is a lot of wealthy people living there across, and there is a lot of businesses running. So if you are just feel the street, so you can understand like how like wealthy people basically do the lifestyle. And yeah, so this is all about the cue card, and I think I probably speak around 1 minute 22 second. That is very less. Yeah, this is very less. But yeah, upcoming days I'm going to speak more than 2 minutes. So I need to basically write down some sort of notes that I need to basically be serious on videos and just try to speak for more than 2 minutes, because I try to speak for more than 2 minutes, but still I cannot able to basically speak. I don't know what is like pulling me down or something. So in upcoming days, I try to basically resolve this issue as well. So on this video, that is it. Bye bye. Have a good day.